Hi guys, here we've got Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus, and let me show you how to add the fingerprint. At first open the settings, then find and select passwords and security and click on fingerprint unlock. At first you have to provide some backup to your fingerprint. It can be pattern, pin code or the password. Let me choose pattern. At first you have to read the notification, and as you can see, you need to remember your lock screen, because otherwise, once you forget it, you will have to erase all data on your device. So let's draw it. Now you have to provide it one more time to confirm. Tap on confirm. And that's it. So now it's time to place your fingerprint on the sensor. The sensor is located on your power button, so it's over here. So all you have to do is to keep tapping on the sensor till your fingerprint is fully added. Just lift your finger up, then place it on the sensor to apply the whole fingerprint. And that's it. As you can see, it has been done. Tap on done, and from now on you can unlock your phone with this fingerprint only. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.